All right, just got through sanding. I think all the dust is out of the air. I'm gonna put on a little bit of something on the bottom, make a track. I've already figured out the middle is 17 inches, and then I came over 11 inches from the center of this to here, so this will be here, and same thing for that side. Now I'm running low on skewers, so I'm just going to have to make it work. Again, it's not the end of the world. Okay. Put that right there so it'll drizzle on the where I need it. And just get it centered and wiggle it a little bit so that it glue moves around a bit. And I'm not going to bring this all the way to the front because we're going to bevel the ends of it. So it doesn't need to come all the way to the front. It's kind of important that y'all get this centered. Well, if it's a little bit off center, it's not going to do that much damage, but if you don't have it perpendicular with the edges of the boat, then your boat's going to, instead of going straight like this, it's going to go along like this. It's really aggravating the paddle. Really aggravating. I had a rental boat like that one time. We went to Mexico and they had glued the skag back on there in such a fashion that it was at an angle. It just took me a while to figure it out, so we got off the boat and flipped it over on the beach and looked at it, and the skag was on at an angle. They're both 4 feet. It just looks odd to me. It's just okay if you make a mistake and you make it just a little bit short. You can always cut another piece and add to it. So, here we go. This will work. Balancing stones in a national park. By the way, some parks have passed that rule where you don't supposed to go in there and stack those beautiful river stones up. They say it's causing a mess. I think I really only need it on the middle one, because these two are making good contact here. And we'll come back, and after I shake this a little bit, I'm going to leave this flat spot here so I can take a piece of PVC pipe. And now I'll take it and run it down the table saw where I just split it in half. So lay on here and glue on top of the, no, that's my plan anyway. So when it runs across, it drags on this PVC pipe, it won't tear up your foam. But if you'll look on my channel, and I have that 8-foot dinghy I made, oh, maybe almost 2 years ago, and it's at a ranch and it gets used regular. And the only thing is, it has a chip out maybe right here, another chip, and a couple of hoof prints on it where the animals were walking over it. So what I think I'm going to do, I'm going to paint this one to resemble a cattle guard, black and white stripes or brown and white stripes, something like that. Because they look at it and they might think it's a cattle guard, and less likely to step on it. Although it didn't break that boat, eventually it could. So we'll see. All right, thanks for watching. See y'all in the next installment of 10-foot foam and fabric kayak. Take it easy.